Hello guys, don't skip this video. Watch till the end because today I'm going to show you my daily A plus setup made over 800 to $900 live on each account using my semi-auto board system. Watch till the end. The secret part is right there. Here is live trade, real market movement, real execution. P&L show everything managed automatically by my semi-auto board system that follow price action, no emotion, no hesitation, completely stress-free. Also, you can see my real live EA and PA TPT account, which our daily target is 300 to 500 to our group member to pass their account in 5 to 6 days, and whatever passed, how we can grow up till get the payout. So daily basis they are sharing their print screen, and I am also daily live trade on my real market. You can see their performance and also my monthly performance and a weekly performance as well. So in and here I can show you my real account on my real TPT account, and also that's my monthly October month performance. Let me show here. This every day I'm sharing. That's my November month performance, and here you can see the commits from the certificate of the my group member and daily their P&L profit as well. And if you have any question how you need to subscribe my Zoom group, or how you need to do get a semi bot trial, you can contact me. Thank you.